In today's unpredictable business landscape, resilience is key. A robust business continuity plan, or BCP, is your organization's roadmap to navigating disruptions. In this video, we'll break down the essential components of a comprehensive BCP, ensuring you're prepared for anything. A strong BCP is built on several vital elements. First, a comprehensive risk assessment is crucial. This involves identifying potential threats like natural disasters, cyberattacks, and technological failures that could impact your operations. Next is the Business Impact Analysis, or BIA. This step identifies your most critical business functions and assesses the potential consequences of their disruption. Understanding the impact helps you prioritize recovery efforts and set realistic recovery time objectives, RTOs, and recovery point objectives, RPOs. With risks and impacts understood, you need robust recovery strategies. These are the specific actions you'll take to restore critical functions. This includes data backup and recovery, alternate work sites, and cloud-based solutions. Having well-defined strategies is paramount. Effective communication is vital during a crisis. Your BCP must include a clear and concise communication plan, outlining how you'll inform employees, customers, and stakeholders before, during, and after a disruption. Clearly defined roles and responsibilities ensure everyone knows their part in recovery. Assigning specific tasks to individuals and teams is crucial for a coordinated response. And, of course, a robust data backup and recovery system is non-negotiable in today's digital world. Finally, your BCP isn't a one-time project. Rigorous testing and maintenance are essential to identify weaknesses and keep your plan up to date with changes in your organization and the threat landscape. A comprehensive business continuity plan is your organization's shield against the unexpected. Are you confident that your organization has proactively addressed each of these critical elements to ensure business continuity?